there have been tremendous changes that have occurred in Soviets, that what we used to call Soviet studies, the study now of the, thank God, former Soviet Union, in that scholars once went to Moscow and to Leningrad, or then St. Petersburg as it changed, and that is as far as they saw that history. With the closing in particular of to many scholars of the archives, and above all the archives of those institutions connected with the secret police or with organs of security in Moscow and Leningrad, historians reoriented to a great degree to the Baltic, because they opened up rather quickly there. But then the bonanza became Ukraine, and we are grateful to Dr. Kohut for having done so much to host those historians, to make them see that they could, through the Ukrainian archives, study many general problems, but also in doing so could learn to focus on Ukraine. We have a major example of such a scholar here in Toronto. That is Dr. Lynne Viola, a longtime professor of the University of Toronto, who I think began very much focused on what she will now admit a Russocentric vision. Through her archival work in Kohut, she has now created a new Ukrainian historiography for us, studying some of the less pleasant people in Ukrainian history that one finds in these archives, but basing these studies on material in Ukraine.